Hello guys, welcome to Bako Smart Tech. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix link preview not showing on WhatsApp, or let me say YouTube link thumbnail not showing on WhatsApp when you want to send it to someone. And don't forget, if you found this video very helpful, consider giving me a like and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. So guys, the first thing we are going to do, when you tap on share, when you want to share it, tap on share, then tap on the WhatsApp icon. Then select the person you want to send the video link to. When you tap on it, then when you find out the thumbnail is not showing, when you send it and the thumbnail is not showing, the first thing you are going to do, you are going to hold the link. Hold it, you should mark it. Then at the top right corner, you see a 3 dot. Tap on it. When you tap on it, tap on edit. After tapping on edit, then you are going to clear the last letter, then add it back. When you add it back, it's going to show up. Then you can send it. When the thing go off, then you can clear it and add it back again. Then when you just add it back, just send the link, and you send it. As you can see guys, the link or thumbnail has shown. So now the second way in which you can fix this thing is that when you want to share it, when you copy the link, when you tap on share, then copy the link. When you copy the link, then you are going to go back to your WhatsApp. When you go back to your WhatsApp, go to the person's DM, then paste the link. When you paste the link, this time around we are going to clear the last letter, then add the letter back again. Then we are going to add a figure or a letter again. This time we are going to add something. You see, I've added it. Then if the thing does not show, then I'm going to clear it again with the last letter again. I'm going to clear it, then add another letter. Then I'm going to clear it again. When I clear it, I'm very sure the YouTube thumbnail is going to show. Then after doing that, I'll just clear it, then I'll just send it. And now, as you can see, the YouTube thumbnail has shown. So if this did not work for you, these two methods, I have a solution for you. And the additional solution is for you to go and download WhatsApp, having version 2.24.18.17 beta. I'm pretty sure that if you download this, it's going to solve your problem. So guys, this is how to fix preview not showing on WhatsApp or YouTube thumbnail not showing on WhatsApp. If you found this video very helpful, consider giving me a like and subscribe to my channel.